Hello, everybody. Whoa.
Catch any fish, Mikey?
Earlier. Where were you earlier? You were still in bed.
Okay, we didn't get into that on film.
Yeah. Well,
Carry on.
Catch one real fast here. Come on, fish. Try to help us out. We're on camera.
Okay, we'll catch it. Don't you catching any fish?
Nope, not yet.
We'll watch you for a little longer.
Soon. This is how it's done. You just gotta sit here.
Okay, I think we're out of time. What are you doing, Rick?
Skimming out my hole. It's really cold and freezing over. Oh, this ought to help. Gatorade. You'll have tip-ups like bonus fish. Well, that was out there. Let's try this out. That's a good fish. I wonder what the hell you have.
Me too.
There you go. You're starting to make some ground now.
That's got to be a northern, huh?
I don't know. He's making some headway now. Oh, you need a bigger hole. You're gonna need a bigger boat. We're giving away the videotaper. This is for posterity. Look at him go.
Dude, that is.
That's a big one.
This one's gonna take a little bit.
I can't even see mine. They're right under the water.
I bet you've got a northern.
Yeah.
Okay, take your time with he'll tire out. Winner. Sold Tony.
Yeah. Either him or the fish or Tony.
I'm gonna get a bucket of water, water him down. Water Tony down. He's frozen.
I'm anxious to see this guy now.
Oh yeah, me too. I think he's got a northern.
We haven't caught a northern.
From each other. Look at that right here. You separate when you get the target?
No. He just got right to the...
Let's get pictures of Rick and Mike before they fall in the lake.
The before shot.
Back to Tony and the fish. Uh-oh.